Hi, it's Kim Cardinal with Victoria Property Group with eXp Realty. I'm here in beautiful Maplewood, Saanich at 1260 Palmer Road, showing you our newest listing. This one is beautiful and I really think you must come and see it. We have a 2-story home that has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom up, and downstairs we have potentially room for a suite. We also have a beautiful sunny backyard that has gardens. I do think you need to see it. Oh, and did I mention the floors? Please come and see this one, it's a beauty. Thanks for taking a look, and please, if you need any more information about this beautiful home at 1260 Palmer Road, please feel free to reach out to your own realtor, or you can reach out to us here at the Victoria Property Group.